Hello! Today we will do a quick run-through of the MVP platform. First, what is the MVP? The purpose of this platform is to provide students with a tool that allows them to customize and manage the communications they receive in their email boxes. There are three different personas in the MVP: the student, the communicator, and the administrator. Today we will go over the communicators and the administrators view. For the communicators and administrators, the MVP is a web tablet-centered user experience to make entering and viewing data more efficient. Both communicators and administrators will be able to log in into the platform using their present-state email addresses. And then they will use the OTP or one-time password system that allows for a secure and simple login process. They will get this OTP code in their email addresses, and after clicking on the Verify button, they will be directed to the platform. For the communicators view, once they're logged in the platform, the first thing they see are the channels they are assigned to. In this case, we have two. By clicking on the arrow on the left side, communicators can see the information about the channels that they are assigned to. The information they can see is the tier that the channel belongs to. For example, Tier 1 is Essential, Tier 2 is Recommended, and Tier 3 is Discover. The description of the channel, as well as tags applied to the channel. Communicators can send emails through the channels they are assigned to by clicking on the Send New button inside of the selected channel. Then, they will be directed to enter a subject text and body text for the email. They can preview the email before sending it. And then, when they are ready, they can click on Send to distribute the email through the channel. Communicators are also able to see the insights in the channels that they are assigned to by clicking on the Insights icon in the channel selected. Inside of Insights, they're able to see the communicators who have sent emails through the channel, the subject, the preview of the body text, the amount of receivers for that channel, how many emails were opened, and the date when the email was sent. So communicators are the ones distributing emails through the channels they are assigned to. And besides sending emails, they can also see the insights of that specific channel. Now for the administrators. Once the administrators are logged in, the first thing they see is all of the channels available in the platform. To the left, they have their main menu, which contains channels and communicators. So first, the channels. Administrators are able to see the information about the channel by clicking on the arrow located on the left side of the channel's name. Here, we'll see the information such as the tier of the channel, the description, as well as the tags applied to that channel. Administrators are also able to create a new channel by clicking on the Create New button on the upper right corner. Here they can add a channel's name, the email address, select the tier of the channel, add the channel description, click on the check mark to see if it's active, add tags, and also assign communicators to the channel. After clicking on the Create button, the administrators will be directed to the channels page, where they will be able to see the new channels created. In terms of what administrators can do in the channels, they have the same abilities as the communicators, which are to send emails through the channels and see the channel's insights. However, administrators also have a third option called Manage. When they click on the Manage icon, they will go to a page where they can see the name of the channel, the email address, the description, the active status. They can add and remove tags, as well as assign or remove communicators of the channel. And all of this information can be edited by the administrators. Now, moving on to the Communicators tab, here's where the administrators can see all of the current communicators. By clicking on the toggle next to the names, administrators can deactivate the communicators, which means that the communicators would not be able to distribute emails through any of the channels they are assigned to. Administrators can activate communicators back by clicking on the same toggle button. Another feature available for the administrators is to register a new communicator. They can do this by clicking on the Register New button located on the top right corner of the view. To register a new communicator, the administrator will need to include the person's first and last name along with their present-state email address. Then the administrator can select from the different roles for this new person that will be registered. And that was a quick walk through the MVP communicator and administrators views.